How to add custom fonts in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, download the custom font you want to use from a reliable source like Google Fonts or the font. Once downloaded, the font will usually come in a zip file. Extract it to access the .ttf or .otf font files. Next, install the font on your system by right-clicking the font file and select Install. Once the font is installed, it becomes available across all programs, including DaVinci Resolve. Now, open DaVinci Resolve and go to your project. Head to the Edit page and create a new text or text plus layer by dragging it from the Effects library to your timeline. Select the text layer, then go to the Inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Under the font drop-down, you'll see a list of available fonts. Scroll through the custom font you just installed. Click on it and it will apply immediately to your selected text. If the font doesn't appear, close and reopen DaVinci Resolve to refresh the font list. Also, double check that the font was installed correctly on your system. And that's it. Now you know how to add custom fonts in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.